Etsy has a pretty good starter order page. It shows your orders, shipping status, and the basics you need to get by. But as your shop grows, you usually wish you had just a little more control. That's where the SortaFlow Chrome extension comes in. With SortaFlow, you can turn an overlay on or off directly inside Etsy. That overlay lets you add custom tags, change order colors, apply checklists, assign orders to a team member, and instantly see what needs attention, all without opening each order. Instead of clicking through orders one by one, you can scan your entire order list at a glance. Rush orders, problem orders, and ready-to-ship orders become instantly visible. You can create unlimited workflows based on your products, SKU, or variations, each with its own checklist, tags, and process. On Etsy, every order follows the same single workflow with just a few custom steps, which can get really hard to manage if you sell many different types of products or variations. You'll also notice a button labeled Main Flow with an arrow, then New Orders. When you click it, a modal opens that lets you choose the next step in your workflow. Another really useful feature I didn't mention earlier is the Comments button. It works like adding a note, but with extra flexibility. You can format your message from a list of emojis, bold or italic text, add links, and even change the font size or color, perfect for making important notes stand out. You can even categorize your comments by selecting this drop-down and picking an option. Here's an example of a comment written in large red text. As you can see, it's a great way to make your comments stand out if you need it to. Just another way of improving your order management. Another feature worth mentioning is the general to-do list. You can access it directly from the sidebar and quickly add custom to-dos with a due date and priority level. It's perfect for jotting down customer-related tasks, tracking specific deadlines, or keeping notes on things you don't want to forget. These are just some of the main features we wanted to highlight, but there's much more under the hood like custom packing slips, barcodes, automation, and upcoming features such as text highlighting. Plus, the Chrome extension works hand in hand with the SortaFlow web app at sortaflow.com, where you can manage everything using drag and drop boards or a spreadsheet style layout.